Thank you for tuning in for the review of the best products available today. These models were chosen from a large variety of products based on their overall performance and review of thousands of consumers that have purchased them through countless hours of research, side-by-side comparisons. It's believed that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. Please take a moment to follow the product links listed below to each product for more information. Sit back and relax while you watch the best highly recommended products for this year.
Hello, fishing friends. Tom at KastKing, Chief Marketing Officer for the company. I wanted to tell you a little bit about our amazing company story. We started out of a two-car garage on Long Island, New York with one product, our KastKing SuperPower Braid. With that, we launched into 160 countries worldwide using our business model of manufacturer to consumer. What does that do? It gives affordable innovation to our products for you, the consumer. We developed, since that time, other new braided fishing lines, our Max Thin 8, our Supercast 9, and today we're here to tell you about something even more special. It's our new braided line that we're very excited about. It's our KastPro braided line made in the USA. It's very interesting how it's made. Let's take a look.
Hey everybody, my name is Al Noriker. I'm the Director of Product Development for KastKing Fishing, and today I'm here in our USA factory showing you our brand new KastPro Spectra Braid. I'm really proud to show you this line, and I have a feeling that this is very soon going to be your favorite braided line. I want to take you on a little tour around the factory. Why don't you follow me? Let's go take a look. The bobbin winding process is the starting point to building a high-quality braid. The raw material, in this case Spectra fibers, are taken from the bulk package and then wound onto a small ratchet bobbin, which is used in the braiding process. The material is wound onto the bobbin in a uniform, even tension winding process to ensure a consistent tension throughout the braid. This also ensures that the finished braid will have the maximum tenacity as the fibers are all pulling uniform weight. The bobbins are then placed on the braiding machines where they'll spend the next 7 to 14 days depending on the braid's finished break strength and diameter. The braiding process is the slowest process in the production of a braid. The average braid time is only 15 yards of material per hour. So that means it takes about 20 hours to braid enough KastPro line to fill a 300-yard biospool. The braiders are balanced using calibrated techniques to ensure the highest quality with a uniform finish diameter. The coating that is applied to the braid is the most important and proprietary process in producing a braided line. The better the coating, the longer the life of the line. The coating aids in abrasion resistance, knot strength, and allows the line to have better handling properties. Typical coatings are water-based, but we use a biosolvent-based coating that permeates and wicks into the braid rather than just riding on top of the braid. This gives a more uniform coating, better color, and longer coating life while staying flexible, allowing for maximum casting distance and durability. The multi-winding process is employed to provide a uniform tension onto the line to allow the consumer to fill their reels without fear of loose tension against the arbor. This process also ensures maximum efficiency. And as you can see here, we are spooling the new KastPro line on our wheat-based biospool. So that's a quick look at how we make KastPro Spectra Braid, but the story sure doesn't end there. To ensure that every angler has an incredible experience with KastPro, we test every production run throughout the entire process to ensure the highest possible quality. In fact, our USA production facility is ISO 9001 certified and is the only braid factory that is certified to aerospace AS 9100 standards. And that should certainly give you 100% confidence that you're using simply the best braided line possible when you spool your reels with KastKing KastPro Spectra Braid. KastKing biospools are made with wheat straw waste products and replace traditional hard plastic spools. This wheat straw byproduct remains after wheat grain is harvested, and depending on heat, moisture, and soil content, the biospool will eventually decompose in a landfill environment. Well, that was a lot of fun, right? I think you probably learned a lot about making braid, and you know, we are so proud about making our KastPro Spectra Braid right here in America. We know that by using the best possible raw materials and utilizing industry-leading manufacturing techniques, fishermen around the world are going to expect that KastPro is the very best line they can use, and they'll look for that every time a big tournament is on the line, or simply when you need to have the very best results, which most fishermen want to make sure they have every day. My name is Al Nork, and for everybody at KastKing, thanks for watching, and we'll look to see you on the water very soon.